Hello everyone, friends. I want to congratulate all of you on a very important event in our lives, the launch of our first product, AI Mason Mentor. I want to emphasize it's our product because we're creating it together with you. This is our product. You are also pioneers. You are the trailblazers of this product. We're building it together, and that makes us really happy. I want to emphasize that right now, the only way to use AI Mentor is through our network. However, in the near future, we will carefully consider how and in what specific way we can make it genuinely possible for individuals outside our network to effectively use our product. Break time equals 0.5s/. We've planned for this possibility, but it will be enabled later because all TON Mason ecosystem products will always be more advantageous for those who are inside the lodges. That's 100%. Who's with us? That's 100%. They'll be better priced, and accordingly, they'll bring in rewards, which is also very important. Now, about the alpha version and its purpose, so to speak, right? So, this is a very early alpha version, but we launched it specifically to see what exactly you like, what exactly interests you, how users actually interact with the AI, what's missing, what needs to be added, and what behavioral features you have that we might not have anticipated right away. How can we improve the product's UI and UX so that it's clearer and more understandable for you as a user? That's very important to us. So any technical nuances, limitations, delays, rough edges, inaccuracies in the interface, or maybe some bugs that might show up, that's absolutely normal. That's totally okay. You shouldn't worry about that. At this point, the product isn't commercial. That's important, right? I mean, we're about to launch it, so this is an alpha version. After alpha comes beta, and accordingly, as audience owners, I'm not afraid to use that word. Those who have built their own network, those who have built their structure upwards, will also receive rewards according to that structure. The next feature we'll add to AI Mentor, after we fix all the little things we have right now, deal with the delays and other issues, is the ability to make calls. So you'll be able to call AI Mentor directly, talk to it, have a conversation just like you would on the phone with a friend or a buddy. This is just the beginning. I want to emphasize that this is only the beginning of what AI Mentor will be able to offer you. Every day, we will keep improving it. With each passing day, it will get smarter and smarter. We add to the dataset daily. We're adding a huge amount of information so that it keeps getting smarter and smarter. Day by day. Soon, as I mentioned, we'll add the call feature. You'll have the opportunity to communicate by voice, not just by text. This will also be in test mode at first, of course. And we'll carefully study and observe your interactions, how many resources it requires, how much server capacity it needs, and so on. So all of this is very important to us as well. Now, here's a question we received. Why Telegram specifically? The thing is, Telegram is already a huge network, basically. It's a network with over 1 billion users now. And it's a popular network, unlike, for example, Facebook, which is losing its popularity in a big way every day. Most direct, personal communication among advanced users happens within the Telegram ecosystem. Okay? The thing is, we don't want to change your habits either. We want you to be able to use Telegram just as you do every day, for practically all your work and non-work matters. We want your interaction with the product to be as simple, convenient, and familiar as possible. The next step will be a full-fledged mobile app, which we will naturally develop. We'll launch it, see where and how it's more comfortable for you, what kind of user experience you have, and get your feedback. So, right? And we'll give you a choice. What do you want to use? Maybe it'll work in parallel, just like that. Yeah, I mean, most likely, that's how it'll be. It'll be available both here and there. Also, I want to point out a very important thing, because a lot of people are interested and keep asking about it. This is entirely ours, a product created completely by us. Okay? We're following our own path. That's important to understand. We're building our own market solutions. We're building innovative market solutions. I'd even put it that way, you know? I mean, truly innovative, even because, at this point, there's simply nothing else like what we've built. So, I want to emphasize that this is just the beginning. This is our first product, which is about to start bringing rewards to each of you. I want to thank each of you for your participation, for your activity, for the way you're truly helping to develop our ecosystem, our shared ecosystem, in such an active way. That's a very important point. So, onward, Masons. Let's move forward together. Good luck to everyone.